la 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 la. La 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 la.
Hi guys, Rick here, and welcome to another episode of the Deal series.
And welcome to to our shit show.
Oh, I know how I'm going to call it.
What?
Like, you have a week and you have the weekend, right? Deal week. A week of deals. Yeah. Week of deals.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm going to think about the name. How am I going to call it?
You're going to think about a name for what?
For the title for YouTube.
Ah,
Now you get it. Did he just meow? Did I hear it right?
what?
It did meow.
Oh wow, that was bad. God. Okay, dude,
Yeah, we deserve this.
dude.
We deserve this.
These are not prospects. These guys are not prospects.
No, he meowed. You heard? He meowed.
Meow. I'm Kitty and I wanna play. Meow.
He meowed. But this guy's good.
Oh, I'm still getting used to the fucking controls, man.
Rico.
What the? Okay.
Rico, where are you?
I was getting boost.
Yeah, you need to donate. Look at just hand, man. You need to donate. Donate.
I don't have the money.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a
Okay,
student, for fuck's sakes.
Yeah, me too. Kind of. Stop meowing!
I'm not meowing.
No, the dude is meowing.
How is he meowing?
Yeah, like meow. He's meowing all the time.
Damn it.
Finally. Oh, he stopped meowing.
How is he meowing? I don't hear him meowing.
I'm going to repeat it 10 times that you can hear the meow.
Oh god. I hate that shit. That's... Okay, that's off target.
No, I got it.
Pardon me. God.
Don't worry, man.
I did it too soon. Oh.
Oh my god! He was there! And he hit it! Watch out. Oh. Got it.
Got him.
Why are we 2 against 2? We need to win the shit out of them.
2-2? How is it? I don't really.
Okay, we really suck. Fuck
Yep.
200 hours of practice.
I'm at
nothing.
160, I think, at the moment. About.
Oh
the
my
boots.
god, I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. That meowing dude, it's good.
How is he meowing? I don't.
Yeah, you don't hear it because you're deaf. Oh shit! Okay, that was beautiful, man. Yeah, the mouth of mute. Mute was meowing. Really.
Mute.
Okay,
Was,
for you.
mute was meowed.
Yeah, okay, it's really funny if you say it like that. I really hate this map.
Or was meowed mute?
Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh! Can't.
Oh fuck.
Oh man, he hit it. Oh! Backflip! What the fuck happened there?
I don't even know. Couldn't get behind the ball.
I feel bad. Really? Are we sucking that hard? Oh, sorry for the bumping.
Damn it.
Oh my god. Watch out, man. You need to win.
I'm almost back in net. I'm back in net, and
Oh.
I'm in middle,
Oh my god.
and he blew you up.
Yeah. I'm not freaking
That's-
firework.
That was a horrible shot.
Whoa.
Oh, okay. Fuck that.
That was.
That's
oh,
off
no,
target.
No.
Don't worry, it's off target, dude.
It was. No, it was going right into the goal.
No, it wasn't. Trust me.
I don't need to watch the review. I need to watch that. Of course, I need to watch it because I need to edit it. Oh my. Come on. Why is it meant so hard? Not hard,
We
but
shouldn't be having this much.
trouble.
Yes.
Put it in, please.
Ah!
Oh my. That's kitty, dude. This. Saying it again.
This is
Good.
disturbing.
Yeah. Go for it. Please hit it.
Oh fuck. I was really worried that it was going in.
Me too. Can you just put it in?
I tried.
Ah!
These dudes are definitely not Prospect 1.
No, they're not.
I
I
think they
think
came
they did the same as us.
from... No, I think they came from PlayStation maybe.
Ah.
Fuck.
Oh. Oh no, I don't have boost. I don't have boost. I don't have boost. You need to get that. Okay. Thank you, sir.
I like the Dominus GT though. I like it
Yeah?
a lot.
I'm glad to
I misjudged
hear
it.
it. Oh! I didn't.
I like, I just went full dirt mode, I just flew by it.
Don't worry. I got it. How? Why is he talking normal? I want him to meow.
Meow.
That was like a little kitty.
Meow.
No. Mouth. Oh. Okay, good.
I like those. I like
We're
those a lot.
3-2. We're now 5-2. Just normal. We beat them in like the last 20 seconds. That's us. We don't make any sense at all. Welcome to YouTube, man. Oh. Oh, no, no.
No, that's not fun.
Well, we won something, right? Okay. And what are you now?
Division 3 still.
I'm Division 1.
Still?
Yeah. How many matches do I need to play?
Holy shit.
But guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to
Yeah.
press the thumb up.
Yeah. Well, I don't really give a shit if you press the like button, but still, I enjoy if you watch me.
I don't want to watch you. I want to see you. But here's a funny meme. Here you go. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Later, dudes.